Our SBC target for makers and developers are quite creative projects, and also help people use it for example, for digital signage, right? And some people use it for AI, for example, for deep learning application like gesture, body gesture. So our product is NPU inside. Yeah, NPU is CPU, GPU, and the NPU is for neural processor unit. So some people use this for streaming player high-end audio. Our RCA is balanced. For H2, price come start from 199 ARM processor, and this is Intel processor. Yeah. So support Windows, and the innovation of our minds supports also expandable. So speaker or USB and fingerprint and speaker, right? New concept of computer. This sell with bare box, and this is finished product, right? And this is for DAC, and we also come to Pro for headphone with headphone amplifier